I mean, who doesn't like a good burger, right? I mean, this nice soft bun, the juicy meat, the creamy cheese. It's like heaven. Hey guys, Nicky Lance back here. Thanks again for tuning in to the YouTube channel and now on Instagram. If you're not on YouTube, you can find me on Instagram. Just look up Nicky Lance Food Reviews. I am at the Outlaws Burger and Creamery.
Right, Outlaws Burger Barn and Creamery.
Burgers Barn and Creamery in Vineland, New Jersey. I was told about this place by a friend. This is Ryan, and we're gonna try some cool food. You know, not like I don't eat enough. My friend told me about some stuff that you have, but why don't you tell everybody real quick just what you serve here, basically.
We focus on burgers here. That's our number one thing. That's our go-to. But we also get a lot of questions like, what else do you have? Maybe I can't eat a burger every day, so what else can I get there? So burgers are our go-to. So you have not been here yet, I highly recommend you come and try one of our specialty burgers. But we also have some amazing cheesesteaks. We got chopped cheese, we got wings, we got homemade ice cream cakes that we make here year-round. Our creamery, we have a full-scale creamery that is open year-round as well. So any of them options, you can't go wrong.
So you said, let's go back a little bit. You said chopped cheese.
Chopped cheese,
So
yeah.
explain what that is, because I'm having that, right?
Right, he's gonna have the chopped cheese today. He came with his Phillies gear and he's from Philly, so I had to bring him a little New York style to see what you kind of like for that, and see if you prefer the cheesesteak over a chopped cheese. So and get your opinion on that.
So what's the difference between a cheesesteak and a chopped cheese?
So the cheesesteak, everybody knows what that is. It's the shaved steak on a perfectly baked roll. But the chopped cheese is a more New York style thing. That's why I wanted you to try it. And that's using our fresh burger from Schweid & Sons. And we're gonna chop that instead of the steak meat, which creates a delicious meal.
So we're gonna do a chopped cheese. And what's the other thing I'm doing? The burger, butter?
We're gonna do the bacon butter burger, which is a
bacon butter burger.
It's
a
new item.
Just roll off to the hospital after that one.
It's a new item on our menu. It's our #1 top selling item right now for burgers. It's a double smash burger with caramelized onion, bacon, and a homemade burnt butter mayo on a fresh baked brioche roll.
Wow.
We're also going to do the dry rub wings.
Dry rub wings. That's what I was told about.
I really like the smokehouse burger. I know a lot of people say that, but it's like one of the best burgers I've ever had.
And what's your name?
Gabby.
Gabby, what's your favorite item here? What do you like
My
to
favorite
eat?
item? I want to say the smokehouse burger, but with turkey burger instead.
All right, guys, I have the bodega. That looks incredible. The dry rubbed wings and the bacon butter burger. Let's close that up. All right, so let's try this chopped steak. It's New York, told it's New York meets Philly. And it's basically a chopped up cheeseburger instead of the steak. Yeah, it tastes just like a burger, except it's like situated like a cheesesteak. Look at that. Bacon butter burger. Look at this thing. Unbelievable. Let's check this out. The meat has a lot of flavor. The roll is nice and soft, and the bacon is just on point, perfect. This is me 100%. It's like there's two patties in there. Oh man, all day long I would eat this. All right, so this is the dry rub wing. Pretty good, right? Looks like it's got a lot of meat on it. It does, has a lot of meat on it. The covering is a little spicy, but good. The dry rub, a little spicy, but good. All right, guys, overall, this place is really cool, man. I can honestly say this would be a great place to come in. It's a nice hot summer night, sit outside, and have some really good food, really good burgers, and then enjoy yourself with some ice cream afterwards. This is Nicky Lance out, and if you got a chance, please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.